Tactical frequency. 10, winds 270 at 27, center of the OSWEGO airspace, ready to check in. Cobra 01, this is Python at 01, mission number 5637, 1M29, 50210 is called. We have 4 R2s, 2 GBU-38s, 2.5 hours on station. In the event of lost link, we'll stay in our airspace for 10 minutes and then proceed via the RPA route. I'll let you know if it's 100%.
And the OSWEGO ATCAA airspace, J1 ready for selection.
TS is full up.
And Python, I'd like you to investigate NAI Oscar 1 until 1535. Zulu, report any findings. Confirm you have STAR radar capabilities.
Affirm, currently using STAR on Oscar 2. Now I'm going to finish the initial brick map on Oscar 2 and then investigate Oscar 1. We'll report back at 1535 or when finding any priority 1 or 2 captions. So Python, any changes to the situation update?
Python, stand by.
1 Kilo, stay ready.
Lit.
Kilo, 18 Tango, 002. 144 elevation 405 feet, engine cold, request target.
Python, you are clear to target 1 by Kilo at 18 Tango Victor, Papa 002-144, elevation 405. Callback with BDA ordnance expended in time.
Target. Python, good effects, 1 R2 expended, continuing with scans.
Python, Cobra copies. 1 R2 at 15278.
So, 135 at 10. Results. TBM is disabled in the road at Uniform Papa 989094. Moving, we had a M-kill and it is on fire.
Romeo 2 is expended. I've got those grids. Confirm you've got 1 by R2 and 2 by GBU-38 remaining.
From Python and nothing else significant to report in Oscar 1.
And Python from Cobra 1 ready, next tasking.
Next task.
I'd like for you to investigate NAI Oscar 4 for the next 1-5 minutes. Report any prior ones immediately, otherwise expect to roll up at the end, and then some SAR images.
Copy. SAR, Oscar 4, investigate. We'll report back at 1356. For Python, we have active aircraft on the airfield, 1 Hellfire. What's your intentions?
Are close by. Do you have grids for that?
It's on the... From the southwest corner of the airfield grids, Uniform Papa 872005.
Copy, Uniform Papa 872005. We are searching now.
It's east on the ramp. It's east from the X of the runways. Aircraft taxiing from the ramp, close from the east side of the X of the runways. Ready laser headed 1121 if you want a buddy Liz. Target captured 1121 set. He is taxiing to the runway. I'm copying my last. He is on the southeast corner of the runway, taxiing runway 33.
Cobra, we are tally target. Confirm your set. Say again, laser PRF.
We are set 1121. Your code if we can say anything else. Captured 1121 set.
Office 1121 set. We'll be coming in with 1 by Hellfire. Request use safe sector to the west. We'll come in from the north off to the east.
Set west. Captured 1121 set. Standing by for your in-call and laser on.
Python Cobra, 1 minute.
Python.
10 seconds. Python, laser on.
Using 1121.
45 seconds.
Flash reacquiring the 2 aircraft on the ramp.
COBRA copies all. You are approved to target upright TDM at uniform Papa 869003, elevation 400 feet. Call back with ordnance extended time and BDA.
Python copies all. Request we drop a 38 on the aircraft to do airburst and probably get at least 2 of the 3 down there.
Python, confirm you're requesting to use 1x BDA 38 on 3 by aircraft.
I'd like to use 1x38 on 2 of the aircraft and 1x38 on the silo in 1 pass.
Python, you are approved.
To west. Python with results.
Python, go ahead.
Cover Python, 2 aircraft, 1 TDM destroyed at past location, past grids. 2 GV-38s expended, 1 R2 remains. Python, knock it off. I'm struggling to get some of these SAR images done, so I'd like to spend the rest of the time doing with the SAR images if you're cool with that.
Cover copies all. We can help if you want with some of the SAR images. Let us know if you have any issues. Ours seems to be working pretty okay.
There are 2 completed. None of the other ones that we've gotten done. Basically, my qual software is locking up. To start with the northeast corner, work south. I'll keep trying to get this airfield.